Hi everyone. It's Monday, office hours. Nobody's here. So I want to show you guys something super cool. First of all, welcome to my garage where I work out. It's very unsexy, but it does the trick. So I want to show you guys something super cool. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. And this is what I want to show you. Okay, over here on Mighty Network, you guys, I laid this all out for you. So, just a friendly reminder, hop on. If you don't know what to do, click on course content and start going through week by week. Print out the cheat sheet and slowly build your habits or reinforce or tweak or wherever you're at. This is meant to meet you there. So, but what I wanted to show you was this. If you want, you can click on Empowered Midlife Method. So that's all the content in this section. And from here, you can go to search. So I just did this, which is why I'm showing you. It's Monday. I have no idea what's for dinner for the week. I'm sort of sick of deciding. I'm just feeling uninspired. Sometimes I'm inspired, sometimes I'm not inspired. Right now, I'm not inspired. So I searched on this and I wanted to just do a sheet pan meal because I want super simple this week. So I clicked on, whoops, blah, blah, blah. I clicked on sheet pan and look at this. So cool. All of the different sheet pan info came up. This one is a recipe book about sheet pans. This one is the nutrition content, all about dinners. So all of these different food ideas came up. And then I was also like, okay, well, maybe I don't want to do a sheet pan. Maybe I just want recipe ideas. So I clicked on recipe. And of course, you can go into midlife nutrition and find tons of recipes. Or I'm like, oh, look at this. This is just like, maybe I just want to whip together this salad. Maybe I want to whip together this chicken curry salad. Um, so you can search up anything, food, hot flashes, whatever. So search it up. You just want to, the trick is if you go to course discussion, it's only going to search things in course discussions. Um, so which is still tons of stuff, but just so you know what you're looking at. So I always click on the empowered midlife method and then go to search because it searches all the content on here. So you can look up supplements, you can look up fatigue, weight gain, recipes, whatever. But it's there, it's at your fingertips. Ask questions. Nothing's going to change if you don't hop in. And it's designed to slowly build so you understand how it all works together. And when you're like confused, well, come see me and let's chat. So I'm here for you. So, anyway, that's all I wanted to share today. And hope you're all doing well. Ciao.